Hi, I'm Gina Feltz with Paola Alban Realtors. I am the broker in charge at our South Charlotte location. We are a boutique real estate firm and we specialize in personal attention as well as being a dual language firm. Today, I'd like to invite you to join our amazing team of realtors.
The decision that I made to work with Paola was because I was working for a very well-known big company here in Charlotte. And although their training was excellent, I never had that family feeling that I was looking for.
The message that I want to send out there to all realtors here at Paola Alban Realtors, you would never feel pressure. You will feel guided and you will find support. She's always a reliable person and ready to help you. Don't feel that you are left out or nothing like that. Here at Paola Alban Realtors, you will find what you need for, which is the support in a new career.
The reason why I chose to work with Paola Alban Realtors compared to bigger firms is because we are very hands-on with our clients, and as well, the training program mixed with the experience at top-notch level. It's very, very recommended that every agent here goes through the process of training, and at the same time, amazing clientele. You'll always be busy. I guarantee you that.
At Paola Alban Realtors, we're not just a business, we're like a family. We offer great benefits and innovative programs that will take your business to the next level. So, are you ready to succeed in real estate?
I have the family feeling that I was looking for, and the training is on a daily basis. I can just pick up the phone and call anybody in the company, and we help each other. So that's exactly what I was looking for, and that's the reason why I came and worked with.
Are you tired of those crazy office fees? Or maybe splitting your commission with not only the firm, but also runners and coordinators and team leaders? Or perhaps you're just tired of being invisible in a huge pool of hundreds of other agents. Well, today I am here to help you out.